we'll guide you through how to create a Mailchimp subscription form. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Audience tab at the left side menu bar. Here, you'll see an option on the left side menu that says Sign Up Forms. Click on that. You'll be presented with several types of forms you can create, but for now, let's choose the Form Builder. This is the most flexible tool for creating a custom subscription form. Once you're in the Form Builder, you'll see a variety of fields that you can add to your form, such as email address, first name, and last name. You can simply drag and drop these fields into your form. To customize a field, click on it and you can change its label, make it required, or add help text. This is also where you can design the look of your form. Use the Design It tab to change colors, fonts, and styles to match your brand. When you're happy with the form, go to the Translate It tab if you need to adjust any language settings. Once everything is set up, you can preview your form to make sure it looks right. When you're satisfied, click Save and Publish. Now, to share your form, you'll find a URL to your form on the Sign Up Form URL section. You can use this link to share your form via email or on your website. Additionally, Mailchimp provides you with an HTML code if you want to embed the form directly into your website. Just copy the code and paste it where you want the form to appear. And there you have it. Your Mailchimp subscription form is ready to collect subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.